Hi, Jason here. Back at it again with a spicy 407 lab video. Okay, so what we did is, number one, you asked for informed consent. So someone asked me for informed consent.
Informed consent?
Yes, I have done the informed consent. Okay. Secondly, you prepare the skin. So you take this alcohol wipe. We already prepared the skin, but we first prepare the skin right here on the biceps. You put the two electrodes 2 centimeters apart in the belly of the biceps on the medial side. And then you put the ground plate on here. And remember to use gel. This guy. You use gel because you want to decrease the impedance and improve the signal of the EMG. As for the settings, we take these. So you take the proximal electrode, see it's white, and it goes onto G1 right there. And then you take the second electrode, which is brown, and you put it on G2 right here. It is important to note that these colors can change with the line, so you have to make sure you put the right electrode in the right input. This is the input side. And then you put the green one, which is ground, on the ground. In addition, you want to put the ground plate also on the ground. So there's two things on the ground right here. As for the settings, we set up the low at 30 hertz. This is the low cutoff amplitude. So everything below 30 hertz is filtered out or gotten rid of. And then everything above 300 hertz is also you get rid of it. So it's 0.3 kilohertz, which equals 300 hertz. As for the input, just leave it. Just leave it at 0. And the amplification, you leave it at 100. As for the output, so all the signals go in the input. The output, you take one of these wires and then you put it into channel 0. All right, enough of the setup. Let's collect some signals. So we go onto the computer and we go EMG single power, and this pops up. We take the high cutoff and we match the amplifier, so we go 300. And then we take the low cutoff and we match the amplifier, which is 30. Acquisition time, it could be 5 or 3 depending on the experiment that you want to run. And you click acquire, and then I'll do a little flex, and then I'll relax. And then you'll see right there, it's relaxed. I did a little flex. Ooh, look at that flex, and then I relax. Click analyze, and we're interested in the max EMG. So you integrate it and you rectify it. So rectify just puts everything in absolute values, and integration basically sums all of it up. So this is what it will look like. So it sums all of it up. Take a look at the max EMG. And we see it is 5,000, a very reasonable max EMG. And then we report that value to the examiner. And then we redraw, we're done. And then we thank him for his time, and then we take everything off. Jason signing off.